us start with CRM, that is Customer Relationship Management. It is basically used to manage the interaction with your current and potential clients. It mainly consists of lead, deal, contacts, companies, invoices, code, etc. And this is what the dashboard of a CRM looks like. Here you get all your data, CRM data, in a graphical format which makes your work of analyzing your data easy. You could get the data based on your employees' sales, based on the stages of your lead and deal, etc. You can even configure the data based on your requirement. Lead. Lead is anyone who might become a potential customer, but not yet. This is the list of leads. And this is from where you can add a lead. The structure of a form, CRM form, is like this, which is also configurable according to the requirement. And these are the stages of a lead. Once it becomes a good lead, completed lead, it can be converted into a deal, contact, or companies. Moving to deal. Deals are nothing but opportunities to sell your product or service to your potential client. The structure is similar to the lead as well as the form. This is the form structure, and even in deal you have the stages. Now contacts. It contains the detailed information about a client. Suppose this is your client. You will have all the detailed information regarding that client in this form, which you can attach to your lead or deal. Similarly, companies is a large data which generally contains several contacts and deals along with their history. Now quotes. These are proposals that we send to the client regarding the potential deal amount. You can either create a new quote from here, or you could just directly convert a lead. You could just go to your deal, open a deal, and then just from here you can create a quote. Your quote has been created according to that deal, and all the data has been fetched here from that same deal.